All right, Jimmy, today's the day. You're finally asking her out. Are you ready? Oh yeah, I've got my flowers. I've got my best shirt on. Wait, what do I say again? You walk up, you look in her eyes, and you say, do you want to go out with me? Simple. Wait. Am I supposed to look in both eyes? What if I only look in one? What if she thinks I'm staring? Do I say me or with me? This is too complicated. Jimmy, it's easy. You just walk up to her like a normal human being and ask her out. Look at her and don't overthink it and just say the words. Okay. I'll walk up and say, do you want to hang out sometime? Is that right? No, not hang out. You're asking for a date, not a Netflix binge session. B, clears. Right. So I should say, hey, you and me want to grab some dinner like anytime? Does that sound too casual? Not good enough? Bob, you don't know. You never asked anybody out, not even your mom. Way too casual. You got to sound confidence. How about, I'd love to take you out for dinner. Are you free this weekends? Oh no. What if she's not free? Then what? Do I ask for a different day? A different weekend? What if, and hear me out, what if she's allergic to weekends? Nobody's allergic to weekends, Jimmy. Just ask when she's available. But what if I trip while walking up? What if my voice cracks? Or I say, do you want a date? And she thinks I'm asking if she wants like one of those dried fruit dates. She's not going to think you're offering her dried fruit, Jimmy. Come on, man. Yeah, you, Bob, you might be offering her dried fruit because you pull something as dumb as that. Just be cool and ask her to din. That's supper or dinner for you guys. Din, dinner, supper. Food at night. Yeah. Maybe I should add a joke. Girls like funny guys, don't they, audience? They like funny guys, right? I can say, hey, want to get dinner? Or just pizza in a treehouse. That sounds like it would work, wouldn't it? Maybe not, yes? Is that too much? Definitely too much. No treehouse pizza. Just say the words, do you want to go out with me? M-E. Okay, so I walk up, don't mention fruit or tree houses, and just ask. Exactly. You got this. But what if she says no? Then you walk away with dignity. But hey, she might say yes, and then you've got yourself a date. Better than them dried fruit. All right. Whew. I'm doing it. Here I go, man. Don't forget, no tree houses. Wait, what if she likes tree houses, man? Just ask her out, Jimmy, for Christ's sake.
I'm Jimmy. I'm the other guy in these episodes. Do you like me? I like me. Do you love me? I love me. Do you like Purdy? But I still love me.